This conference is quite different from other conferences because it focuses on technology and how technology can foster a positive impact in society. And brings at the same time not only faculty members presenting papers, but also experts from the industry, which is quite important when we have to talk about the problems and the challenges that we will face in the future. So it is quite different because it focuses on technology and how technology can be used to foster impact, and also different because it is not a typical research or academic conference. It is a conference that puts together on the one hand research and faculty members discussing their work, but at the same time it also brings people from the industry talking about their problems and basically discussing with the university people how to solve real problems. It is quite important for firms to include impact and more broadly sustainability in their business strategies. Technology is very important. Technology can be used to foster sustainability, and it is quite important also for firms to achieve competitive advantages. Additionally, by including technology, by promoting sustainability, firms will be better prepared for the future to mitigate risk related to ESG and to double materiality and to other problems that will impact negatively their P&L and at the end of the day, their market value. From the morning session, what I would say is that in fact technology, mainly artificial intelligence, is on the top of the table. We have to deal with it. What I think is that we need to understand the drawbacks of AI and other technologies. We need to and business schools are quite important in this part. We need to provide literacy on technology and AI to our students in order to help them to understand what are the key drawbacks of this kind of technologies. At the same time, we need to implement some cost-benefit analysis to understand if a specific technology should be implemented or not. And at the end of the day, a specific technology should be implemented if it will create economic value, meaning a positive impact in the society. One advice is that we need to change how we think on finance. We need to change the way we think on firms, on financial markets. The old corporate finance theory in which we basically manage the firm in order to maximize the firm's market value must be rapidly complemented with the idea that firms must be managed in a way to maximize the value in the stakeholders' perspective and on the shareholders' perspective.